Hi, I'm Lauralee Nygaard, and I'm a periodontist in Spokane, Washington. And today I want to share with you an expert tip that maybe you haven't thought about, and that is that sometimes the knowledge that you have can sometimes show up and be shared at just the right time. So this last year, one of my employees' daughters was battling pancreatic cancer, and she called the office to ask for help because her daughter was experiencing extreme mouth sores and was having a hard time eating. So my team member came to me that had taken the phone call and said, "Hey doctor, what are our options? What can we do?" And I said, "Well, why don't you we'll leave a bottle of Stella Life Oral Rinse and she can come by the office and pick it up and we'll see if that helps." And I never heard whether it had made an impact or not until around Christmas time when I received a letter from my employee thanking me for what a special gesture it was that we just handed out the rinse. But even more importantly, how almost immediately on using the rinse, her daughter's sores improved. And she had remembered learning about ice chips when she'd worked for me, and they were using those. And that in spite of going through this really difficult time of cancer treatment for her daughter, that they felt like their life had some purpose because they could go to these chemotherapy appointments and share with other patients who were struggling and share with their oncologists about the healing benefits that they had seen using those products. And so I just want to encourage you that sometimes those things that you know that seem so insignificant sometimes can have huge ripple impact in the lives of others. That's my expert tip. Thank you.